Hi, science fans. Welcome to Fun Believable Science with me, Dr. Brain. As you guys know, I don't like gravity.
Darn you, gravity!
Gravity's always making things fall. It raises so many questions. Does air affect the thing's speed fall at? And what if there was no air? One of the things I've always wondered, if I were to drop a big object and a small object at the same time, would they hit the ground at the same time? I have a lot of questions, so let's see if we can answer them with some experiments! Oh yeah! Get your brains ready, it's time for Fun Believable Science. The first thing we're going to look at is, do all objects fall at the same speed? The short answer is yes, they do. Whether the object is light, and it shouldn't matter if the object is heavy. So do light objects and heavy objects really fall at the same speed? Let's find out. Here to help is Brainiac. It's experiment time. Brainiac is upstairs. Brainiac is going to drop a ping pong ball and a dodgeball. When I say so, which will land first? The dodgeball or the ping pong ball? Or will they land at the same time? Guess now. Gravity isn't the only thing that affects objects that fall. Air affects objects too. That's me pretending air is affecting my coat. But how much can air affect falling? These two pieces of paper are exactly the same size and the same weight, so they should fall at the same speed. But if I crumple this one up, it should fall more quickly because this piece of paper will catch more air. So Brainiac's gonna drop both pieces of paper at the same time. When I say so.
Oopsies.
As you can see, the flat piece of paper was much slower because the air slowed it down. Gravity isn't the only thing that affects falling objects. Air affects them too. You can really feel it on your face, like when you're on a bike going down a hill really fast. But how much effect could air have? I mean, air seems pretty weak to me. I mean, look. Take that, air. I'm much stronger than air. In the olden days, a scientist called Galileo said that if you remove all the air, objects would fall at the same speed. But where is there no air? The moon. In 1971, an astronaut called Commander David Scott conducted an experiment where he dropped a feather and a hammer at the same time to see what would happen if there was no air. Galileo said they would land at the same time, but would they? Guess now.
And I'll drop the two of them here, and hopefully they'll hit the ground at the same time. How about that?
Galileo was right. With no air, the feather and hammer landed at the same time. But how does air affect falling objects here on Earth? To find out, I've got these two juggling balls. The juggling balls are round, so they will be affected by air on all sides. They also have a bit of weight. The scarf is very light, and it's got little holes in it designed to help catch the air. Let's see how different their speeds are when they fall. So as you can see, the balls fall twice as quickly as the scarf. The scarf is affected by air. So juggling with a scarf is a lot easier because it's slower. Hey, that means it'd be really easy to juggle these scarves. So the blue scarf is very light. It's got holes in it to catch the air, and it falls slowly. But this yellow scarf has no holes in it and is a lot smaller. Which do you think will fall more slowly? The blue scarf or the yellow scarf? Guess now. Gravity makes all kinds of objects fall. Why? For this experiment, we're going to see if the speed of objects changes when the size changes. We have these two balls, this Oreo, and a Brainiac. Brainiac's going to eat the Oreo as I juggle it. Will the speed of the Oreo change? Guess now. Brainiac, are you ready?
I'm ready!
Let's do it.
Oopsies!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Brain. Stay safe and don't forget to use your brain. I'm using my brain.